Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 5th, 2021. Before I get started, you might hear a beep on today's video. That is simply our fire alarm system needs to replace the battery. So we're going to go ahead and do that today, but just haven't had an opportunity to do it right now. So I wanted just to give you all a heads up. There it is right there. If you guys heard it, that is the beeping you will hear throughout this video. So just relax. It will not be here on our next video that we're going to produce here on this platform. But besides that, we're going to give you all a price prediction update in the market for Nvidia. You guys can already tell we did a price prediction recently and the trap went precisely where we expected it to go. So now we just need to make sure we're one step ahead of everyone else so that we can get the competitive advantage and that we can win in the market and profit and predict. That is what we do. So if you all appreciate it, hit the like button, share, subscribe. Also tap that bell notification. You want to make sure that you all stay updated on our anticipated price movement in the market so that we can be in a winning position. All right. First, I wanted to show you all our 3 option plays that we got ongoing right now on our Thinkorswim platform. We have a call spread going on in the market for JinkoSolar Holdings right here, which we have 11 days before these options expire. We have a put. We bought a put in the market for Rite Aid with 25 days left of expiry, and then we bought a call option in the market for Sealed Air with 46 days. And as you all can see real quick, we're down $166 on all 3 options right now. We're going to look at JinkoSolar Holdings since we have 11 days left. So we're going to have to make a decision as to whether or not we're going to be able to take this out in profit, or do we need to let it go at a loss of about $8.50. So make sure you stay tuned to our particular channel so you can watch on how we coordinate these options that we got ongoing in the market. All right, so let's go back to our Nvidia price chart. You guys can see the last time we did a price prediction in the market in Nvidia was on March the 14th, 2021, with the expectation that the market was going to shoot higher price, and that is precisely what occurred. We hit that ultimate TP price of around $550 right here on April the 1st. So about 6.87% profitability was had in that particular forecast. Congratulations to those who was able to call that, because that is precisely what the market has done since our last video. So now, again, not too much is going on into the market in Nvidia. The market is simply trading within our 2 lines. Right, we're just seeing the market bounce in between our 2 lines in Nvidia. So obviously you would expect us to try to come back up towards $560, $580 right before we'll see the next bout of selling entering in the market. Okay, now let's look at this on the 3-day time frame, because the market in Nvidia has definitely given us a lot of strength. I just want to show you that we are noticing also a restriction point right there around $560. Okay, that is the nearest point of restriction. How do I know? Well, take a look at what happened on these 3-day price bars. Right, you can see it right there that the trap found issues of breaking above $560 during that particular time. So obviously he is telling us again that there is a chance that the market is going to find more restriction around 560. So we know that now. We are in position. We are expecting that that is a probable thing that can occur. So we're not going to be confused. We're not going to be surprised if the market in Nvidia drops below 560, because we expected that was a chance, that was something that could actually come to pass. So, but look at the 3-day price bar. Look at this one though. Okay, look at what we've done in the market in Nvidia on that last completed 3-day price bar. Do you really think the market is going to find issues of breaking higher above $560? Do you think that's going to be a problem? Do you think $560 is going to hold back the market from breaking above 560 based off that 3-day price chart or 3-day price bar? What about on a 5-day? The 5-day time frame definitely shows us that the market in Nvidia is not necessarily showing that it's going to have problems breaking above 560. So the next area will be around 575. that will be the next area that we will be expecting to see more sellers enter the market. Okay. Look at this on a weekly time frame real quick. I do like the weekly time frame into the market in Nvidia, so much so that I'm looking forward to go to 575 all the way up here to our restriction line, which is around $587. That is where our focus is going to be. That is where we're going to expect the trap to take the price so that we can get into the market and win, right? So real quick, I do like the 3-week time frame as well, even here on the monthly, right? So there's really two areas of restriction that I'm seeing, 560 and 575. So let's break this down real quick into the market in Nvidia. Okay, now this area of support is going to be back down here towards $513, $515, give or take, is where we're going to expect the market, if anything, on a movement to the downside to try to come in and hold support. Okay, so around 512, 513, give or take, it's going to be in that vicinity. Now we said that 560 is restriction, so if we were to come into the market in Nvidia and take off some profit, it'll only be about 1.38%. But hey, it's profit. Plus, we are under the understanding that that can actually impact the market from breaking out to the upside. So it will be logical for one to come into the market and take some of that profit off the table around $560. That is something that we need to consider in this particular market. Now, I told you that 575 also would be the area to which we will be expecting to see more selling. That's about 4.25% market movement to the upside in Nvidia. Okay. But then I'm going to extend it up here towards our restriction line. Okay. Around 590, give or take. Now that will be a long-term stance to see the market in Nvidia hit that price. So we got what, 3 areas to skim off profitability in the market in Nvidia. The first one, 560. The second one, $575. And the third one, right up there around $590. All right. So this is what we're seeing into the market in Nvidia. Nothing confusing. We're in position. This is where we're expecting the trap to take the price in Nvidia so that we can make sure that we are in position to win. That is one of the biggest things that we have to our advantage among everyone else in this particular market, is that we need to call the market, get in position, and wait for everyone else to get there. So now I want to know, where do you all think the market in Nvidia is headed? Drop us a comment in the comment section and let me know, where do you all expect the market price in Nvidia to go in the next 2 weeks? Where will price be, so that we can get in position and win and dominate the market? So call the markets right alongside with us. Drop us a comment in the comment section and tell us where you expect price to go. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.